Okay, I wanted to share with you a fun, easy watercolor with hand-carved stamps technique. It needs a title, but we're just going with it. So I have this sweet little flower blossom stamp, and I'm going to show you how to make this really cool watercolor technique. Super easy, and we're going to do this. Let's go. Really cute. It's a cool technique, and you're going to want to know how to do this because you can apply it to all sorts of techniques, even on an eraser. You could do this with a square basic eraser. You could do that with this, but we're not going to do that. We're going to do this. It's time to get stamping. That is so lame. I promise I will never say that again. So this process is so easy and so fun, and I love it every single time I do it. I cut out one of those flowers and I put it in one of my art journals on one of the little pages here, my little flowers here, in a flower pot, because why not? And here's another one. Also, you remember when I was telling you that you could use an eraser? Well, check this out. This eraser, 3 little markers, okay, medium-sized markers, regular markers. You could use kids' markers, just water-based markers. You're not going to do this with Sharpies. That's not going to happen. And this is an index card, so anything goes. And I think it's fun. You know, this process is one of those things where it's like meditative, it's explorative, and it's a lot of fun. And I hope you try it. Okay, we're done. Go have a great day. Go have a great evening. Go have a great year. Well, it's 2020, so just do the best you can. And go make art. Wait, I don't mean to sound bossy, but you might enjoy yourself if you go make art. And also, I don't want to sound bossy by telling you what to do if you want to see more of my videos, because this is YouTube. You guys know what to do. And my Instagram is happening too, so be sure to check out what's going on over there too. And I will see you guys in the next video.